So with it's red, it's recording, obviously.
I fucking burned myself twice in the exact same spot.
Alright, so Michael said, screw that, let's do that at the shop. We'll get you footage of that too. It's no big deal. What we're going to do instead is actually going to put these Enkeis on.
Yeah. So these are Enkei 92s. I picked them up for $682.32.
Nice.
Shipped.
Shipped. It's right to your door.
Right to your door. From, fuck, what is it?
Poland?
I forget the name of the company that sold them to me. But check this shit out.
Oh.
Yeah. Y'all ready for this? Boom, 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 boom.
Oh. That is a straight Canon.
That is a massive tipped exhaust.
A bit over the top, but we'll see.
What? Fuck it. I'm a teenager and I like suburban moms getting mad. I do. I like suburban moms getting mad. But I'm gonna put this away.
Do you like suburban moms for a different reason? That's pretty funny. Alright, I gotta stop laughing at all these clips. That's gotta be my #1 thing to work on. Oh, this thing's gonna sound so loud. Or not. Eargasmic. Not yet.
Alright, I'm gonna go to 4,000 RPM.
Let us hear some of that VTEC.
Alright, I'm gonna redline it. I didn't even get to redline.
Don't be a puss, come on, do it. Sounds like it's bubbles. It sounds like a bubble.
It sounds fucking awesome.
Yeah, he'll torque his wheels at the bottom of it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
These are just on here so I can go to pick up the other wheels.
He's got a set just for picking up and just in case. Winter set. Winter set? No one wants to see the winter set, Michael?
This isn't the new winter set. This is the way I bought the car.
How'd you pay for it, Michael?
$350.
Holy shit, dude. You could buy like 7 of those. Someone that comes is going to do a calculation to see how much money you have now. Low key, not the actual amount.
Don't tell them that. Make them think I'm rich.
How many cars do you own, Michael?
1.
Well, I guess you're rich then. You must be spoiled, dude.
Yeah, I'm a spoiled prick. That's me. Mikey B.
Hit him up on Instagram, Mike_Civic Project.
At Mike's_Civic Project. God, get it right, you fuck.
Alright, let's get a comparison first. Get that other wheel up in here. I want to see the comparison. Just
right, here we
tread
go.
wise.
This is my winter set. I bought these tires. They were brand new when I bought the car. They're 14-inch tires. I think they're 70s.
Well, let's just roll them to the next ones. Come on, pull them over there.
I want to see if they're 70s.
Let's roll it over.
I want to see if they're 70s. Yeah. 185, 70, 15. Or 187.
There's a tread. He just straight up bought
These are bigger. These are 195s. These are 185. So I mean, not that big of a difference, but I didn't want to kill it.
Stretch though.
It's a street car.
Really, Michael?
That burn really hurt.
What other mods do you have on this car?
Maybe cold air intake.
Why'd you get that?
Because I wanted it.
Are you sure that's the real story behind it?
I had to cut the factory. I just cut the factory box off.
Yeah, guys, the factory box on this thing was such a piece that we just straight up cut it off because you're like, well, why'd you do that? Well, clutch replacement life.
Yeah, I had to replace the clutch, and on these cars, when they put the engine in, they put it with the transmission. So we had to drop the whole subframe in the front, get the transmission off, do the flywheel, do the clutch. That was the
Sweet.
flywheel.
Jesus.
I have, oh my god, this is gonna be dope.
Dude, this thing's gonna look sick. Did you get these spacers just because these wheels won't fit?
Yeah, I got the spacers because the offset is much greater than the
Gritter. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, well, you got the torque though, so.
Yeah.
Get that torque. Is it in the trunk or where?
It's in the back seat. You wanna lean in there?
Oh, I got it. Here we go. Oh, I don't want to move this wheel, so I mean, here.
Up against the door.
I'd rather not here. Back it up. Oh.
Give me the breaker bar. That's the right size, oh my god.
Maybe this footage will actually look kind of decent. I don't know. Let's see. Did anyone text?
Go get me the
Good.
sock, what, impact sockets in the back, please.
In the back of the what, car?
In the back seat.
Alright. Hey, we were just grabbing these. Why are they so rusty, Michael? That's a good question.
If they were in the trunk and the trunk leaks.
And the trunk leaks. You heard it here first, guys. $350.
Alright, well, since they're out now, might as well just show you. I bought 6-speed lug nuts.
Oh,
With golden spikes to match my golden wheels.
that's gonna look dope. Alright. Because, I mean, his Niochromes, as you guys can clearly see, aren't a
They
bit.
didn't last too long.
Are they just straight out of Japan or what?
I will admit that I did not spend. Usually, I like to get quality parts for this thing, just because quality parts.
Last long.
But I got to admit that I didn't exactly go for the quality train on those. I was like, cool, Neochromes. Oh my fucking god.
This thing looks sick. You might have to get fender flares, dude. Oh, the Fitment. Oh, here we go. How much they stick out right now.
It's fucking dope, dude.
Ah, dude, you have no idea how much this thing sticks out. Oh, dude. Oh.
There it is.
Da da da. Da da da.
Can I pull down?
Yeah.
Good. Ah!
Let's go.
Is the exhaust on?
No, we're not.
Not at all. It burned him twice. What do you think, JJ?
What up?
Look at the.
Oh my god.
Alright, I gotta see if this.
Oh my god.
We have open headers on this right now. You gotta hear it.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, you just pulled
Actually,
it
I've
off?
probably heard it before, actually. Damn, we got some road leather here.
Road leather.
Yeah, a little bit.
Road leather.
Alright, where's
That would actually.
the thing we can take these off so we can get out of here?
What?
Here.
Take what off?
Fuck. Nothing's fitting on here.
Take what off? What are you talking about?
Get another rim off.
What, those?
Oh, yeah, that's what I was thinking. But Michael's lug nuts aren't working right now. So,
What do you mean not working?
as in, like, they're not holding. Yeah. Try Mike. Try the other set. Try metric. Yeah.
Like a different, it's like a different,
No, really.
yeah, look.
No,
Like,
these aren't gonna fit. What?
these lug nuts, I put the old ones on. These aren't even the right thread. Like, they are, but they aren't. No, see?
Oh, they are.
Yeah, but that's not, you do not want that kind of movement on a wheel. Holy shit!
They're like,
Cambered?
they're 5 centimeters bigger than the old ones.
You're gonna
That's
be like
it.
this. It's gonna be cambered out. Fucking like this, Mike. This is how you're gonna be rolling down the street. What's in that cocksucker? Is exhaust?
His Canon, dude.
His cannon.
His Nick Cannon. That's what we've named it. Nick Cannon.
Put it down, you bitch.
This is why Manly's not allowed to come here anymore.
I was here on Halloween and I painted the pump.
Put it down. Put the cardboard down. burned myself on the cat.
How bad? Let me see it. Does it remind you of this scar right here? Who gave you that scar, Michael?
Alex Manthi.
Honestly, is there a difference in thread? Is that how the song goes? So Lucas is getting those pearl drums nice and settled.
This plastic sucks. Dave, you don't even have 7-sided sockets like that.
I propose something. There are threads inside of here.
Yeah.
Thread a bolt into it.
I don't have a bolt.
Like, I'd fit them first. I'd put the regular lug nuts and fit them.
Dude, I don't even know where they are. Oh, those look so ass though.
JJ,
Yeah, but it's what you're gonna have to do.
Since we don't have the key.
You have to at least fit them, like, and fit them into.
Yeah, I know.
JJ, hear what I'm saying about how to get these on is thread a bolt into them with the nut on the outside and use
I
that.
don't have a bolt that big.
Yeah, Manthi.
Some things are just no.
Oh, Manthi,
Like,
by the
I'm gonna
way,
start hanging out
can
with
you
more.
weld up something for my father? It's a garden shovel. It broke in half. You want to weld it together?
We'll get to Miller's tomorrow.
Hell yeah, that's what I was hoping for.
Did you loosen them and retort them?
Yeah, where's the
No,
switch
you
on
didn't.
this
No, you
damn thing?
didn't.
No, where's the switch on this damn thing?
The fucking giant red fucking strip of plastic.
Unlock.
Mike.
Alright.
That says Ood Luke.
I don't want it on yet because I don't have the lug nut on right now. They don't look that bad.
Wow.
Yeah, let's get the other side up.
Whoo, baby.
That was like $150.
You can break them loose right now? Yeah, Lucas right now knows what to do. Break them loose right now. What do you think, JJ?
I don't think you should run spacers.
You think it should be nice and in there? I don't think it's going to fit in there.
Absolutely, they'll fit in there. You get into like 8-inch wides.
Don't even worry about it. This is just
Yeah, this dent. Wait, what's this dent from? Is this where the turbo comes out? Right here?
Yeah. No. Actually, it comes through the headlight, but you just.
yeah, you can't
It's
see
covered
that?
right now.
If you look really hard, you can see
Can
that
I
little
just-
metal piece.
Oh, here goes Manthi
What
with
are
this.
you doing?
Man, I love him when he goes, "Can I just?" And then he just does something so fucked up. It just.
Can I just fuck up the car real quick?
I just wonder, man, is this actually it? Is this on the ground?
This is on the ground.
No, that's because the other side's jacked up. It's gonna get lower.
Max this out. Oh, above it. Honestly, Mike, cut the fucking coil.
No, I'm cutting the coil.
Fucking saw it down right now.
He's not gonna be able to get out of the driveway anymore. I'll be honest.
JJ, the sawzall's right there.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
He won't be able to get out of the driveway.
Here, stay up there.
If it was low life, yeah, it would be awesome.
It was It still sounds like a Civic.
Yeah. That's a Civic with a fart can. Mike has.
Alright, we're ending the video there. I'll make. What the fuck? I'll make an update.
Shit would be dope.
I'll put a video. I'll
Yo,
record
is
a.
are there any videos up yet?
No, this is the first video.
Going through the woods.
Alright, I gotta watch. Let me see it.
No, I have all the off-roading videos.
Yeah.
Which I
Yeah.
I'm gonna record on my phone. Actually, Matthew, you will probably record on your phone
Yo,
the
can I
romp.
see it real quick? Where is it?
We'll record the romp real quick. Clutch Kings. We'll record the romp real quick.
Let's
See you
use
guys
the
later.